remind you now, we don't even need to record it. It's not like we're gonna get anywhere, is it? Right, have you got your fuel
Yes.
ready? When you get your helicopter, you remember the controls, right? Left, up, right, down.
Yes.
Forward, left.
He what?
Left, up, right.
That's weird.
Uh, keep keep some fuel in your hot bar in case you run out. Because anyway, Cameron, follow me. I don't have any fuel.
What? Give me the fuel.
Oh no, Cameron, we need to buy fuel, don't we?
Oh yeah.
No! Don't break your helicopter. I buy fuel. You buy fuel as well. I don't know where the helicopter fuel goes to though. Oh, right. It's a use thing, so you can only use a set amount of fuel once you buy helicopter fuel.
Yeah.
So just be like me and buy a bunch of fuel. Right. How much have you bought?
I just bought some.
Right, anyway, Cam, follow me.
Oh, this is cool.
Follow me, Cam.
Oh my gosh, this is so epic. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
How do I hover?
Da 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 da
Right,
da
no, wrong way.
da da. Da da
Wrong
da
way.
da da da.
Right,
Da da
never
da
mind.
da da. Da 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 da. Da da da. This is so epic.
360 no scope.
In the video, you just see him spinning around. Oh gosh, where are you? Ah, I'm going too high. Oh, there we are. It's so funny because it sounds like a minecart.
Is it me or does it feel like bloody walking would be faster?
Nah, these feel faster for me.
They don't for me unless you're flying high. Right, hang on, let me check. Let me check the map. Let me check the map. Let me check the map. Okay.
Hey, land?
Yeah, you land. You just like you let go of everything.
Oh, that's good.
Right, where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Right, so the desert. Let's just remember the codes of desert. X minus 1,300. Z 2,000 for the desert. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how? So X minus something. So this way, and as long as the Z is going, I forgot the coordinates already.
Alright, my render distance cannot go higher, otherwise I'll break my
Cameron,
recording.
what's the Z? What's the Z again?
Oh gosh.
What was the Z I said?
I just dropped on helicopter.
You're an idiot.
There's zombies in my helicopter!
Z minus 2,000.
Get out. Right, I'm going up now. Right, where are you?
Left.
Oh yeah, I see. Right.
Follow me.
Just had some technical difficulties.
Is this the way?
This is so funny.
Right, we need to keep going this way.
Yes.
You still behind me?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
Go.
Ow. Oh. X minus 1,300 was it?
I need to buy some more fuel now.
Okay, I'm done here. Right. Wait, what? You've already run out of fuel? You've already ran out of fuel?
Well, I didn't buy enough, that's why. Where are you?
Water bottle. Up. Behind you.
Oh yeah. Wait, what? No.
Are you blind?
No, my render distance is
Look.
on 2. Oh, I see.
Why is it on 2, you dumb man?
Because you'll break my recording.
Oh, I just took the glass bottle on the floor. I'm an idiot. Anyway. Right, I actually think walking's gonna actually down. I'm not sure. It keeps speeding up and slowing down. Oh, airport inbound. Wait, no, that's not an airport. What is this?
Oh no.
Let me check the map. Oh no, we're by Drydale. We're on the outskirts of Drydale. Is that good? I'm gonna check the map. Land on the building. I'm gonna check what this place is. This feels like a proper adventure. Like a. Like, what is this? What is this? Was that me or was that you?
That was me.
Crashed?
I didn't crash it though.
We are at Treeline Suites, so I'm not sure why I was going this way. So that would lead. Okay. Right. Anyway, Cam. Ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
Right.
Right.
We need to continue going this way. So
Okay.
Z's is nearly. The X is nearly going to be finished, so we'll just have to. Oh no, there's a guy. See that? Like, can you see like that crash plane? There's a guy right in the middle of it.
I can't see it. Oh yeah, now I can.
I'm landing. I'm landing. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. He's looking at me. Oh no, I fetched the phone. Oh no, we're dead.
We're not.
Cameron, be careful. Right, we need to go through this area quickly because this is another guy. Oh, they have PvP protection on the way. Leave, 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 everyone leave. Blah bag, blah bag. Blah bag, blah bag. Ow, 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 ow. Cameron, quickly. I don't know where I'm going. I'm scared. Cameron, just land on one of these buildings.
Go on the big one. Can you see if the red flag on it?
The red flag.
Yes.
Yeah, land on that. There's nobody around here, hopefully.
Oh look, this is all snipers then.
Yeah, but do you even have a sniper?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, okay, fine, but right. Anyway, where are we? We are in Drydale.
The really poor area.
Right, fine. Right, I'm going. Let's do shipment yard. So we need to go to X minus with Z400.
I see it down there. I think I should anyway.
Right, so I'm up here. What are you on about?
Oh yeah.
I'm above you.
Okay, hi.
Damn no. Right, get in your plane.
Alright, ready?
Z, but where will the Zs be going up?
This is so cool. I like this.
The Z needs to go up, doesn't it? Yeah, Z needs to go up, so this way. Sorry. So X is fine. X is fine. We just need to go straight now. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Just go straight in this direction. Yeah.
Welcome to the free render distance adventure.
You can still see me, right?
Yeah. This is so cool. I like this.
We should be stopping at an area which is near a lake, so we can stop and get water and stuff. Actually, speaking of water, I'm gonna stop now and fill up one of my bottles.
I'll defend you.
Oh, I don't need to fill up. Well, actually, I do. I'll drink this, then fill up another bottle. Got any healing potions? Just potions.
Oh no, sorry.
Got any berries?
Nope.
Okay, get in your helicopter. That's mine. Oh, just go forward, and there should be like a little camp place.
Yeah.
It's not the best looking.
I can see that.
Oh, this place. Oh, there's supply. Oh, found a bush shoe.
Found a life.
I'm landing on this random. Oh, I dropped my helicopter.
Wow.
Right, should be in shipment yard. So military outpost Bravo. X again is fine. So Z 700. All right. Z, we just need to keep going up again. So yeah. Well, Cam. Yeah, I don't think this is just a town. So this is just. Oh no, I don't have any fuel. Buying helicopter fuel. Okay. Well, I like this.
Like what?
Oh my god. This isn't on the map. Whatever you do, don't drop down there.
Oh yeah, we see that.
What the fudge? This isn't on the map. Is it? Oh, it is. Oh, how did I not see that? Oh my god. Okay. Cam, read chat. We have to go on foot from here.
I'll just go behind you.
Okay. We just want to ride that helicopter, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll break your helicopter, man.
I'll be a UAV.
I'll break your helicopter, it'll blow up and kill both of us.
No, 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 no.
Get out. You're just like a floating minecart. It's weird, it's glitch. Yeah, get out your helicopter, yeah.
Let's go. No scopes. No scope.
Again, X is 5, you just need to go straight.
Oh yeah, farm food.
Where?
Holy bullshit.
Oh yeah, just keep getting bitched though. Right, anyway. Lake. We come over here a bit to the lake shore, just keep going across the lake shore. Using berry. Oh, there's a guy, I think. Still recording, aren't you, Cam?
Yes.
Because I saw a guy's game attack a minute ago over here. Yeah, he's right up the island. Yeah, he's in the military outpost. It's like a big build. What? That looks cool.
That's good. I can't see it, but well.
If you had to render this up, it looks cool. Oh, it's a military base as well.
That's good.
Do you think setting a base here would be okay?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, the guy isn't here anymore.
Oh,
Okay.
this is cool.
I know. Oh, yeah, someone definitely has a clan base here.
Yeah. Mob.
Oh, you can do parkour, so it's not very good barricades. I have a pickaxe anyway.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, I'm pretty sure the guy who's just here has probably looted everything.
I just got a crossbow, so.
I bet you he's looted everything.
Oh yes.
AR-15. Canteen. Ooh, canteen.
Oh nice.
Ooh, Cam in here,
Oh, why? Oh nice, don't mind. This would be a good place. Just loads of chests.
Yeah, but...
Another trip mine. No van mine.
It's okay. It's,
Mossberg, the one.
it looks cool and all, but the other place... It's not really just like, it just doesn't... This is like the only place. So if we had a clan base, we won't be as close to... Do you want a sniper rounds?
Oh yeah, please.
Sniper rounds.
How much?
Great. Oh, I got a military grades. Oh, Cam here, I got 2 of these. Have one of them.
Oh thanks.
I got 2. With projectile protection. Oh, a crossbow, if you want that.
I already got one.
Cam, do you need an army helmet? You do, don't you?
Yes.
Cam, look up. Right. Nope, I know how tempting it is, but no, we can't. I should be keeping an eye on the... Oh, now we have to walk on... Oh, come on, could it be placed a little bit closer to the sea so we can just jump down?
Yeah.
Oh no. Cam.
Yeah.
I think statistically I'll actually have to set a clan base here.
Why?
because I need boats, and they're at safe zone, and we're here.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm setting clan home. How do you unset a clan home?
No.
Clan home. Oh, right, Cameron, should we just like disband the clan
Yes.
and re-put it together?
Yeah.
Okay, right, so clan, how do I do clan? Clan destroy?
Can disband.
Clan fluffy terrorist has been disabled. Clan invite? Clan make? How do I make a clan again? Clan.
Great.
Clan create. Okay. Clan invite, is it?
Yes.
Invite.
Well, this shotgun's a little bit OP.
Okay, right.
Airdrops. I got 10 airdrops.
This location is too close to another clan. Oh, we have to go outside and set it then. To be honest, I have two, so we can set them one.
Yeah.
I would potentially use this opportunity. Right, Cam, come down.
Okay, coming. Hurry, mom.
I know, I fractured a bone. Please tell me you have a splint. Please tell me you have a splint. Please tell me you have a splint. You don't have a splint, do you?
I do.
Oh. Whew.
I have two of them actually.
I have one.
Yeah. Right?
I'm downstairs.
Oh, I see.
I know. Give it. Thank you. Okay.
This is.
Okay. Come. No, first aid kit. No. I do not need the arrows, but I need the bandages. Cameron, you just stop chucking random stuff.
Sorry.
Fine, I'll have this. Wait, the meds kit is a secondary?
Why is?
But it doesn't even like work. It's like, Cameron, quickly, just come down.
Why?
Actually, don't have to. I'm just putting a clam banner there because we're not really gonna use it, are we? To be honest.
No.
Can you break it, please? Like, go outside, go down the stairs, take a left. There should be the clam banner. If you break it, I think if the leader breaks it, it actually breaks.
Hey, so what should I do?
Go down the stairs, yeah, and then take a little bit of a left, a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah. I destroyed your clan.
Your clan was disbanded and broken by Prime Time 20. No, because you didn't join the clan, did you?
Whoops.
Wait, you start the clan banner? Please tell me you have another clan banner on you.
I'll find one.
Right, yeah. Okay, fine. You...
I have 5 splints. Dylan?
Yeah.
Oh.
You should have joined the clan.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Oh no. I'm stuck in safe zone.
I'll find one, okay?
I'm literally...
I wonder when, what you call it? I just need loot to restock.
Cameron,
Yeah.
do you want to go to safe zone and start from safe zone?
You sure?
We have boats, so yeah, we can do that.
If you say so.
We can go across the boat.
The border.
I want to go to the airstrip, the desert airstrip. That's right, Cam. Are you looking at the map? As I am.
No.
Just look at the map. Look at the map.
No, you tell me.
Right, so we go to safe zone. We go across the bridge and then take a left.
Yes.
And cut across, getting wild berries at the same time. There should be a little desert island. I use that as a thing. Go to this island, just take a left. We come across this random, useless looking island with massive trees on it. It's like a jungle. I'm not sure. Like I'm looking at it. It's weird. I can see like a little thing which is not on the map. Do you think there's something hidden in the jungle? I think there is.
Yeah.
Right. I want to go on a proper adventure, right? We should really try to like not mess up, yeah?
Yes.
We do that. OSPS, useless. So we go across the thing, we go to the jungle. I want to go through there. So you can break boats, but you have to be careful about it. So we go through the jungle, which is something I want to do, and then we go to the desert airstrip.
Yes.
Then we can either walk or go across the thing, and I want to check out like this factory place, and maybe we could set up like a home at Military Outpost Delta, but probably the pit.
Yeah.
Then. Now I want to go to the pit, which is probably going to be the most dangerous. So we go to the pit, we look in there, there's like a big building near the pit, we go there.
Yeah.
Then we go across, we go to Tartarus, looks
Yeah.
cool. And then we go over to Relic, the Overlord aircraft character, Luna,
Yeah.
which is like an icy dungeon.
Yeah.
Atlantis. Oh, Atlantis! And then there's like this massive island with like a million trees.
Don't go to SC then leave. SC leave.
Are you at SC?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is a much better way of doing it. I didn't really want to go for the forest anyway, so yeah, SC leave. It's a little bit boring, right? SC leave. We're gonna go on a proper adventure.
It's gonna be a sec.
Right, you spawned by the thing, didn't you? That's you.
Oh, is that you? Yeah, it's you.
You
Right.
have to turn around, you have to go that way.
Okay.
Do we?
Yeah, I think so.
Right.
Let's go. Our proper adventure.
Right. No, screw. I only have one clan banner and one bed.
I'll be okay.
So I can set one home. I think I'll do
Are
that
you shotgun
maybe.
ammo?
No. I killed the guy and he had 25, but I didn't bother picking any of it up. I didn't think.
That's right.
Right,
Sega 12 is OP.
Cameron, look after this. Look after it in your life.
Okay.
Because that's how we're going to get from each of the islands.
Oh, okay.
And if we lose it... Oh no, there's a guy following us.
Is that?
There's a guy following us!
Run?
Just run, just run, just run, just run, just run.
Oh gosh.
He's got a sniper, he's got a sniper. Cameron, you can come back though, can't you?
Yes.
He's just randomly shooting things. I'm hiding, right.
I'm on my way.
Oh, right. I'm not dead, but he has ESP, biggest ESP ever. Nice ESP, bruv. I'm shifted and you're like...
I'll come up from behind him.
Oh no. Oh, what? How the fudge? I had to jump in the water.
I'm right behind. I'll come like.
Right, I'm jumping in my raft. This guy. I'm driving off in my raft. He's got too much of a big ESP. I'm sorry, I couldn't pick up any of his stuff. Oh, no, Cameron, you need to get your stuff. Your raft.
Come on, run faster. Oh, is that?
Yeah, see, you can see.
Oh my gosh. That guy is the biggest threat I've ever seen.
Why was he following us? What's wrong with him? Like, We try go on adventure, instantly get killed. That's just typical.
Oh.
I'm killing him. I don't care if I lose my stuff. I'm gonna try and kill. I have one raft. If we find another raft, we should be okay. We can go on the adventure. Oh, thank God, entity clear doesn't get rid of boats.
I'm going to try and come up from behind him again. And I have a snipe this time. The tides of battle have turned.
Oh my God, right. Are you distracted by that? He can't take on two of us. But I have to get a lot closer.
Now,
He has the fast sniper and it's pretty damaging. It's a very good sniper actually. Right, put in my bandages. Eat wild berries before I take him on so I can take on the nausea first. Oh my God, wow, he's a noob.
what? No!
What gun is he using? It's the MSR, it's like a fast firing. There's like 7 hearts on me and I have like nearly 4. Like all my stuff is either military grade or police
In
grade.
this video,
Yeah.
you'll see how he sniped me from war zone. No, from literally outside the safe zone.
Yeah, report it and say that he got ESP. He must have ESP. And if we had ESP though, and or tracers,
Yeah.
this would be a really easy place to snipe people because the server render distance on this actually goes pretty far. So the farthest you can see, you can actually see gamer tags.
Nah, man, he literally just no scoped me. Like,
Oh, and you can set. But you can see people from really far away, can't you?
yeah.
Oh, I didn't realise render distance you could actually put up really far.
This guy's probably the smartest guy I've ever seen. I'm gonna destroy him with my org. I'm actually gonna use a bull shoot. Just to kill him now.
Oh no, I need berries.
Berries.
Berry food. Cameron,
Yes.
send in this video as like a hack report and tell him to skip to something because I actually want this guy back.
Yeah.
Our adventure is gonna be cool. Right, is that? I can see 2 David tags. Where are you? Are you by the road?
No.
Yeah, he's a big ESP user. Nice ESP, noob. I'm shifting. I can see his gamer tag and he's going towards me. He's causing me lag. This guy's got the biggest hack since like Sam Pepper. Nice hacks, bruv. So, Cameron, I have to hide in the water so he can't get me. What the fudge?
Well, I am. We tried and we failed.
I just want another raft. If any of the mods from Infected RPG or whatever it is are watching this, can we have our boats back, please?
Yeah, give us our boats. We just wanted to try it. We just wanted to start a new series, man. But for YouTube, I hope you liked the video. And yeah.